Hey y'all, guess what we are? Well, guess what we are? Guess what we are? We're actually we're down in Houston at the DoubleTree, as you can see behind me. We're here getting ready for our cruise soon. We just arrived this morning, and we actually cruise out tomorrow from Galveston to Galveston, Texas. So we're staying here at the DoubleTree by Hilton. And I was going to give you all a tour, of course, of the hotel, or as much as I can show you, because they're actually under construction. And then, of course, of our room and that kind of thing too. So follow me, y'all. Let's go on inside. Uh-oh. Like I said, we're down here. Like I said, we're taking a Royal Caribbean cruise tomorrow. It's we're leaving from Galveston. It's gonna be 10 days, so it shall be awesome. So in the meantime, make sure y'all, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to receive all the videos I upload from this point here on out. And like I said, they are under construction, y'all. A little bit of it, I guess I can say half of it, I guess. Let me go ahead and turn this around for y'all. So I'm actually walking into the lobby, but like I said, they're under construction. So they're making things better for us. Uh-oh. Pardon me, to make things better, right? Uh-oh. Okay. And I think this is a small, can't say it's a business center. I guess it's just a table, I'm going to assume. But we're actually in the cabana room, so we have a beautiful view of the pool too. We're going to head on up, and like I said, they're under construction, so the bathrooms down here out of order. The ones that's right here, but they have other ones that, of course, are working and stuff. So, and this is the landing. This is the restaurant that's here on grounds. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm not going to walk all the way in, but I can show you. Well, I guess I can show you some of it, y'all. And I'll have to get some information for the menu if I can find it for y'all, because it's actually a scan. So I don't know if I can get it for you or not, but I'll definitely try to show y'all anyway. Look at this beautiful fountain, y'all. This is beautiful, actually. I love that. This tree is beautiful, too. And this is in the inside, y'all. It's in the inside. It's a beautiful fountain. Y'all, I love fountains. That is so pretty. So pretty. So serene. I knew I heard it when I came over here. Like I said, this tree is real, too, y'all. There's a tree in here, too. It's a beautiful tree. There's glass all up there. There's glass everywhere. It's really beautiful. Let me continue on walking, y'all. I'm trying to get to the elevators. Now I got to figure out where I just came from this way. I was getting lost a little bit. Like I said, it's very, very nice. Like I said, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So if this is the one, the DoubleTree by Hilton, the Houston Hobby Airport. It's right, and I probably should have stayed outside for y'all, because you can see the planes flying right over the hotel, actually. We're like right across the street from the airstrip. It's like, oh my gosh, I was in the room wondering what was so loud, what's going on, but it was the airport directly across the street, because we're like 4, maybe 5 minutes from the airport, not that far. And they have different events for y'all, because they got some new hire orientations, but this is one of the ballrooms, and it looks like it goes kind of far back too. So I'm sure it looks beautiful. I can't show y'all because, like I said, they have names outside the doors. That's here today for the tour, for their events. There's some bathrooms back here too, fountain and all that kind of stuff. But this is the actual hallway leading back to the cabana rooms where we're staying at. Let me show y'all, because this is the pool. We're on the 3rd floor, so 333. Let me show y'all this beautiful pool, y'all. Now, we didn't go out here because we're going to be, of course, going on the cruise in different islands. So we're just going to go ahead and, of course, get in the ocean, put it that way. Let me show y'all another side of this. Show you another side of this. And it is handicap accessible. As you see that chair there, for someone who is at least a lifter. So for somebody that's, of course, wheelchair bound to, of course, get to the pool as well, which I love that. Love that, because you don't see that everywhere. So I love that. And this is a Sundance bar, and I'm not sure. I guess it's an actual bar. I'm not going to go in there, though, y'all, because I'm actually heading upstairs, but I'm not going to go in there. I think that's it back here, yeah. So I'm not sure what the Sundance bar is, but if I find more information in the room, I'll make sure that I put it in the description for y'all, or just add something on at the end to tell y'all kind of what it is. But these are the ballrooms. There's more ballrooms. It's the Southwest Grand Ballroom. It's BC. And like I said, they had events, so we can't really go in, but I'm sure they are beautiful too, y'all. I'm tempted to go in, y'all, because I really want to see what it looks like. I'm not gonna get put out the hotel, so I'm not gonna do that. But I'm sure it's beautiful. And this is just a little seating area. It's by the, I guess you would say by the pool too. So it has table chairs. Oh, you're just not going up? Oh, I thought she was already upstairs. And y'all, I said I was gonna steal one of these chandeliers. I love those chandeliers. I thought she was already up there. And I'll cut some of this out just to let you know. But oh, okay, understandable. Yeah, understandable. Okay. Yeah. Let me. Okay. Sorry, I was trying to. These are just more rooms. And some of this will be music anyway, overlay, but besides the ballroom part. Oh, this is sweet. Pretty. I'm like Adrian. I thought it was somebody else walking down the hallway. There was a guy that came out of the room, some room over there. I don't know what. Maybe that's the bathroom. I don't know where he came from, but it's a pretty picture on the wall. Oh, elevator. Just more rooms.
Because it's a long walk.
Yeah, because we're up on the third floor. You got to go all the way up and. Right.
I don't want the elevator to have an accident.
I'm sure. I understand that. Now hurry up and do the bathroom since you have to go in the bathroom. Just to film.
Okay.
It shouldn't take long, just about 10 seconds. Out here, I walk fast, trust me. I'm walking down the hall really fast. And I found out what I needed to hold my cell phone steady is a gimbal. So when I move, it'll move forward. So my phone comes up, it's not moving or it's steady. Uh-oh. You have to cut the heat up, the air off or whatever it's called. Okay. Oh, I can cut it off. I can cut it down. Okay. I was. I didn't know you was going right that second. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, go ahead. I was trying to wait because you ain't got no pants on. That's why I was going this way. I know you're finna get out your clothes. I didn't know.
We ain't going nowhere, so.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Why stay dressed?
Like I said, y'all, we have a nice balcony. It's beautiful up here, actually. And it's a big balcony, has a table, 2 chairs. Like I said, it has a beautiful view of the pool, y'all. This is just the beautifulest view. We have, like I said, one of the cabana rooms, and I'm going to assume that's the reason why we have these pool views. Like I said, this is just so beautiful, y'all. So if y'all stay at this hotel, the DoubleTree, Hilton, Houston Hobby Airport, get a cabana room. And the reason why we have this room, I'm American Express, Hilton card holder, so this is one of the rooms that they assigned me, I guess. So I didn't know it was a cabana room. I just thought it was like a regular king size room, but that's fine too. Whatever. We'll take that. We'll take it, trust me. Okay. We're back in the room, y'all. So let me actually show y'all the room. Oh, trying to close this door back. Uh-oh. There we go. Door closed. Okay. Okay, y'all. Let me cut the TV down. How do you cut this? You cut that down because it's going to mess up. There we go. Okay, y'all. So we're back in the room. This is the room, of course. Like I said, it has the table, the chair, the coffee machine. Of course, every time you check into a DoubleTree, of course, you get free one free chocolate chip cookie that has walnuts. Of course, your coffee machine and all that kind of stuff too. Trash can. We had 2 bottles of water up here too. This is the ice machine. Ice container. We had 2 bottles of water up there too, y'all. We already put those in the fridge. And this is a, when you open up the drawer by the TV, there's a safe right in the top drawer so that you can have that for your belongings and things that you want to keep safe. I guess I put it that way, even though I've never had any problems in a hotel. And this has a mini fridge. Like I said, there's our 2 waters they gave us for free, and that's the water I already had. So it does not have a microwave in the room, and that is fine. Fine with us. Because we just came back from eating, actually. So our bed is a king size, like I said, king size bed. It has 2, of course, side tables. I'm sleeping over here on this side, so it has the cell phone cords and like all the plugs. Has 4 plugs over here. Of course, the drawer, and that kind of thing. The telephone. So let's go on over here on this side, y'all. What's going on? What happened? I don't know what just happened. Okay. So we're going over on this side. It does have a nice ottoman back here with another little small table. And like I said, that's the other side of the bedroom, the other nightstand. So it has 2 plugs over there, I think 2 or 3, for your cell phones and anything else you want to plug in. So like I said, that's our room, y'all. Here's all of our luggage. so like I said, that is definitely our room. I definitely hope you enjoyed this tour. Like I said, definitely this is a nice hotel. Like I said, the DoubleTree has not disappointed since we've been staying at them. So this is our second one, I guess, in the past 6 months or so. So like I said, it's definitely a nice room, nice ambiance and everything else going on. Like I said, I'm just still loving this pool view, y'all. Just so beautiful. I'm just loving that, y'all. Just loving it, loving it, loving it. So like I said, definitely I hope y'all enjoyed this tour. So make sure that you, of course, if you come here to Houston and you're coming to the Houston Hobby Airport, this is like I said, right across the street from like the back end of the actual runway, because you can hear the planes going right across the top of the hotel actually. So like I said, definitely subscribe to this is of course Tony, Eat and Travel with Tony. So make sure that you of course subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to receive all the videos upload from this point here on out. If you ain't seen those in the past, go check those out too. I always tell y'all that. So like I said, definitely check those out too. So y'all, with that, peace out. Have a great one. And like I said, we're here for our cruise. So you'll definitely be seeing some cruise videos coming up very shortly as well. So take care, y'all, and have a good one.